Welcome back, students. Today we will discuss in continuation with the introduction to electronics. Yesterday class we have studied up to what are the inventions in electronics field. What are the devices invented? Who invented that? And how electronics is developed. Today we will look into applications of electronics. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳೇನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್. In your textbook they have mentioned entertainment and communication separately, but while looking into the applications of these two we can mix up, because in entertainment and communication, entertainment andra manoranjana, communication we are contacting each other, but sending information or sharing information between 2 points. See, entertainment and communication field what are the applications we have? Those are the beginning of 20th century. Major application of electronics was radio communication. Radio, tape recorders, music systems, public address systems. Radio communication in the sense sending the information from one place to another which are distant each other. For example, you can send any information to your friends or relatives or whoever who are located 1000 kilometers apart. So these are because of radio, because of the advancement in electronics. So radio, tape recorder, music system, these were used earlier days. Nowadays you people are using MP3 players, FM stations, listening to FM stations, iPods and so on. And video equipments like TV receiver, computer, those are the major inventions in the electronic field. See, TV receiver nowadays has become a digital TV or an internet TV you can call, or a smart TV. So, your digital TV, digitalization has come into picture. You might have observed now for every TV receiver there are set-top boxes have been installed. So this helps in the digital communication. So the communication will be more accurate, more reliable when your digital communication is applied. So computer with or without internet, it gives us entertainment. See, using in computers without internet, you can download so many games and play the games, and also you can play the music, and you can with internet you can communicate. So computer with or without internet is giving us entertainment as well as communication. And video equipments, some more video equipments, those are like digital camera, people are using it, DVDs and so many. So next one is mobile phones. Mobile phones are nowadays are your smartphones. Each and everybody, there are very less people, 1 or 2% of people using the earlier second generation mobile phones, that is only keypad mobile phones. With that you can send only, you can call and you can send only text messages, something like that. Using smartphones you can do whatever you used to do with the audio and video, both you can do using the mobile phones. Using mobile phones what and all you can do? In the field of entertainment you can play games, you can listen to any songs, music. Smartphones in the sense again internet Because of internet, you can download any movies, you can watch movies, and with the communication field, you can talk, chat with anybody. You can do online shopping. You can pay electricity bills at anywhere, anytime, and even you can send video calls. You can do. So these are the major. If we continuously tell the applications of mobile phones, that will become endless. Okay. So later on, I guess you people know more about mobile phones, smartphones than. Next is WAN, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. WAN is nothing but wide area networking. With that, you can communicate to the distant places. Whereas Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are short-range communications. You know what is the use of Bluetooth as well as what is the use of Wi-Fi. With the Wi-Fi connection, you can even share your networks to others. Using Bluetooth, you can transfer files, you can transfer any songs, any videos. Even nowadays, Bluetooth remotes are available. For 4K boxes, you might have heard, there are some thing like 4K boxes, which are nothing but using these 4K boxes, you can convert your normal TV into a smart TV. So, in the modern equipments, you can have a Bluetooth remotes. So, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are short-range communication. In detail, you are going to study in the communication in the second views. Next, communication satellites. Using communication satellites which are revolving around the earth, you can anybody can send information to many units. Broadcasting has been easy. Using communication satellites and video, data, whatever songs to many units. Next one is OFC. OFC is nothing but optical fiber communication. This is nothing but you are sending the signals in the form of light waves to a distant places without the degradation of signals. So OFC is a part of communication. It's a type of communication, optical fiber communication nowadays. It's very useful. You are using it widely. So you will study all those things in detail when you go in further studies of electronics. Next, in defense applications, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Using radar and sonar. Radar is nothing but radio detection and ranging, and sonar is nothing but sound navigation using these you can anybody can detect and locate the enemy aircrafts or any warships or submarines easily. So the next one is guided missiles. Guided missiles which are controlled by electronic means. Those are used to aim and fire in firing of the guns very accurately. So aiming will be perfect when the missiles are controlled by electronic means. Next one is secret communication. Secret communication is very important in case of defense. So you can send, information can be sent secretly from the headquarters to the different units. Electronic security systems are used in the border of the country to guard the country. Next, industrial applications. In industrial applications, automatic control systems are used. These automatic control systems, what they will do is, they will check the quality, moisture content, thickness of the product developed. And using these, there are the developed product will be delivered to the customers very accurately. Next, robots are used in the industries. Robots are programmed in such a way that they can perform so many repetitive tasks. They are very fast. A robot can, or any electronic machine can pack thousands of packs in an hour, which will reduce the human work. Also, robots can work in toxic conditions. Toxic conditions where human beings cannot be able to work. Next is computers. Computers with internet, it can so many programs in the computer are used to control the so many industrial applications. And also, computers can store huge amount of data so that employees' data can be stored for the accounting purposes. Next is electronic fire detectors. You know that burglar alarms, smoke detectors and CC cameras are used in the industries for the security reasons. Next is power stations. Power stations which are working with somewhere around some megawatts, high voltage and high current application. That means electronic circuits are used to control for controlling purposes. Next one is medical applications. Nowadays, doctors and scientists are using electronic instruments for the diagnosis and treatment of several diseases. So, ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೇ ನೀವು ಚೆಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಬರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ರೇ ತಗೊಂಬರಿ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್, ನಾವಾದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಔಷಧಿ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಔಷಧಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಈಗಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್, electrocardiographs, X-rays, ultrasound scanning machines, thermometers, digital thermometers are available these days, BP measuring instruments, blood sugar measuring instruments, and there are so many. So these instruments you are going to study in your first PUC, the third chapter of the first PUC, electronics. Next one, how electronics have been impacted on our quality of life. See, electronics, because of the advancement of electronics, tasks became easier and faster. Yesterday I have told you, earlier days, whatever we are doing here, we have got more convenient way of doing our day-to-day work compared to our older generations. ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಏನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಯಾರ್ದಾರು ಯಾರ್ದಾರು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವಿಷಯ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಲೆಟರ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ better healthcare because of the advancement of electronics. And CGI is nothing but computer generated imagery. These are used in movie fields. In the movie fields, these are using because to show the superhero stunts in the climax. Those will be more realistic than before. Next, electronics has simplified our industry and household work. Industries and applications we have studied. In household work, see, all our working women these days, they are using washing machine, microwave oven, refrigerators also become electronic devices because automatic cooling systems have developed, and so many. See, you might have observed there is a digital clock, smart clock or digital clock have been developed, which will tell us the time, not only tell us the time, but also it works as a Google assistant. You might have observed assistant for us. If a digital clock is there at your home, you just just speak it. Play a music for me. If you tell that, it will play a music for you people. If you ask what's the time now, it will speak, it will tell the, so in such a way it is programmed. It will tell the time. If you want to set an alarm, if you tell set an alarm for after 2 hours, something like that, it will set the alarm. There are so many, if you continuously see the advancement of electronics, you will be surprised. Okay, next there will be machines replaced humans. So many machines have replaced the human work. And GPS system, you might have seen this. GPS in the sense global positioning system, where you can track the vehicles from the distant places. Also using GPS systems, ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ put the destination location, you will reach your destination very accurately using these GPS systems. So because of electronics has penetrated in everybody's life, in every sectors. So because of electronics we are getting better healthcare, best entertainment, and totally it is giving us more comfort. So it is better late than never. You should start studying electronics from now onwards, so that it will be very helpful in our future. And this completes our first chapter, Introduction to Electronics. Let me stop here. And anyway, festival is okay. Thank you so much.